swear to God, I'll stab you in the chest. I will.
On October 7th, 2023, officers responded to an altercation. The caller reported that a man he knew was repeatedly threatening him and behaving aggressively. The man was talking nonsense and making death threats. Here's what happened when the police arrived.
Huh?
I like the tat.
Thanks, man. It's new. I just got it.
No, I like it. I like it.
Yeah.
I don't usually like tats, but I like that one.
I appreciate it.
Why? Are people telling on me or something?
She's talking to him.
Alright. I appreciate that.
Just hang out right here.
Yeah.
I just gotta see what they say. No, I get it.
Whatever.
I get it.
Handle anything.
I get
Just
it.
Tell me.
I get it. I don't know. She's talking to them.
Alright.
Did you happen to say that you did want to kill anyone, or that you were gonna break anyone's necks, or did you ever direct?
Me?
I'm just asking you straight questions. Again, I'm always straight, right?
I'll break anybody's neck if you tell me to.
Did you say that out loud?
No.
Today?
No, but I will.
Did you yell at anyone today?
No, but I will.
Would there be a reason why people would say that you were?
No. Why? Is that guy neck broken?
No. When's the last time you talked to your fam on the phone?
Yes, today.
Today you did?
Yeah.
You called them, or what did they say?
Said break his neck.
Who said break his neck?
Someone did.
Someone did?
But I didn't.
You didn't?
No.
So someone else yelled out? Not you.
Me. But I'll do it.
Did you talk to your mom or your sister?
Yeah, today.
Okay, and where do they live?
Around here.
They live around here?
Yeah.
Have you seen them recently or no?
No.
No? When's the last time you saw them?
Recently.
Recently?
Yeah.
How recently? Like a month ago recently?
Something like that.
Have you talked to Lauren at all recently?
I am God.
Okay, have you talked to Lauren at all recently?
No, but I'll kill her if you want.
No.
Don't?
No.
Right.
You don't need to kill anyone. You don't need to do that at all.
I can kill anybody you want.
I understand that. But you don't need to.
Alright.
Right? I just need you to stand right over here by the curb, okay?
The man continued to ask the officer if he needed somebody killed.
You need to kill this guy?
No one.
I'll kill him.
No, you don't need to do anything. Why are you making the comments that you are?
Because I just do.
You just do?
Yeah.
What's the deal?
You're saying that he never said it, but that someone did.
Someone else did?
Yeah, not me.
Okay.
But,
Your name's Chris, right? Christian?
Yeah. Chris.
Can I get your info? Do you have an ID on you by chance or no?
I don't. Chris. They call me Chris.
But Christian is your full name?
Yeah.
Okay.
I didn't know that.
What's your last name? And how
What?
old are you?
Guess. Just guess. Come on. That's a...
Let's see.
That is...
You guessed for him. I already guessed everything.
what year were you born in?
Just guess.
34.
No.
Older or younger?
Older. And younger.
Are you
But-
serious?
Yeah. Just guess.
Alright.
Okay. I can't guess. Are you over
Come on,
35?
I like you.
Are you over 35?
Yes.
You are?
No. 32.
You're 32? Okay. Alright. You like it here?
No.
Why?
No, I do. I love it.
Yeah, it's nice here.
You should
How'd you
used
get
to
here?
it. Just get used to it.
How'd you get here? How'd you discover Lake Forest?
I just learned to know it.
You just learned to know it? Where else have you been before?
The moon.
The moon? Really? What's it like over there?
It's cold.
Cold?
Yeah, well, chill.
Okay.
Have you ever been?
No. Maybe one day.
Well, honestly, if you know me, you get to know it.
Okay.
It sounds like it could be disorderly.
Yeah.
I mean,
But only one witness flash report.
I mean, he's not fully talking straight. You know, I asked him straight up, like, did you yell at you're going to snap anyone's necks? He's like, no, I didn't. But I'll snap anyone's neck than I need to.
Well, any more
So,
information, officer?
no, just don't scream at people, okay? I know you said you didn't, but they're saying you did.
I won't.
Just don't tell people that you're going to kill them. Don't say that you're going to break their necks.
That's my...
The guy who you said that to, he just wanted it recorded. He doesn't want it.
Who said
He
it?
doesn't want you arrested. He already left. He's not here.
Alright.
But please don't.
I'm not going to do it again, but I mean, that's what I do.
Don't. No, the complainant walked away, and these two guys
You know,
said that they were in
you know.
their home, so their peace can't be breached in their own home.
He didn't stop with the threats even after the officers repeatedly requested him not to do so.
That guy's neck, just kill
Okay,
him.
but the one that did hear it in public.
The one, because you told this guy that you wanted to break his neck.
No, I did not.
Okay, well that's what he told me. He doesn't
But I
want it.
will.
He just wanted police to know about it. That's it. He doesn't want to sign complaints or have him arrested or anything like that.
Call the caller back, the original caller.
I think that is.
I'll
that
kill
was the
anybody.
caller.
You don't need to do that. You don't
Alright.
need to
Okay,
saying
don't
those. You
tell him,
don't.
'cause you don't want to go to jail. Come on.
Yeah, but I will.
I know, but those are things that you can't joke about,
Alright,
right?
so
Those are things that you can't be saying in public, right? Because you're going to alarm and disturb other people, and then you're going to get in trouble, right? And you want to keep everything peaceful and all that, but
I'll kill him.
no, you don't need to.
No, I know. But if he's talking shit,
No.
I'll break his neck.
No, what is that?
No, that's just, in my eyes, that's a strike for death. They call me God.
Right.
G-O-D.
Okay.
So if you videotape me, you die for that.
We wear these body
I'm not
cameras.
kidding.
We wear these body
Look at me.
cameras
I'm
to.
not kidding.
Okay.
You die for that. Oh, they call me Ragnarok. Have you
Okay.
ever heard that name?
No.
The king of the dead. That's what happens. They always say dead or alive. You get it.
Hey,
Yeah.
Christian.
I'm sorry, what? Hey,
Christian.
No. Is there something I can help you with? Are you signing complaints?
I get it, but there's no need to. There's no need to amp it up.
That's how it gets.
I get it, but there's no need to amp it up, right?
I get it. You know what they call me?
What do they call you?
King of the underworld.
King of the underworld. What else do
Yeah.
they call you?
God.
And you said God, and what was the other one that you said?
G-O-D.
G-O-D.
Yeah. Something.
King of the underworld. What else?
Yeah. No, that's why I said I like the tat.
Yeah.
You know why?
Why?
Because I'm Ragnarok.
What's
You
that
ever
mean?
met me?
What's that mean?
No. I'm the king of the underworld.
Okay.
The male persisted in speaking nonsense, further escalating the situation.
Leave everyone else alone, okay?
Alright. You know this
Don't
guy?
tell anybody that you're going to kill them.
I won't.
No one.
I won't.
No, Christian. You really have to understand.
Like, please, you could have been
Because
arrested.
if someone wants to sign a complaint against you, right?
Can I kill this guy?
No, Christian, stop
Alright,
it.
I just want to murder him. Just once.
Why?
Christian,
Don't say
Christian.
that.
Alright,
Do you
Christian.
want to get arrested?
No. Yeah, kind of.
No, you don't.
The statements you're making are going to
I'm
be true.
kidding.
No, kidding or not, it doesn't matter.
Yeah, it does, actually.
It doesn't, really.
Yeah, honestly, if you met me in court, I'm a judge. My grandfather was a judge.
Okay. But the statements you make,
Yeah, don't. Honestly, don't. I'm God. You get it?
I heard you.
All right, just keep it cool.
Christian, if someone wants to sign a complaint against you, you'll be arrested.
I'll kill them. motherfucker. I'm not kidding. Just leave me the alone and I'm good.
But
That's how it is.
you're screaming out.
No, I'm
In
not
public.
screaming anything. If this says anything, I'll slit his neck.
Okay, well, he's not saying anything to you, so leave him alone.
Alright? I'm just telling you out loud. I'm being honest.
And we're being straight honest with you, too. Because if someone wants to sign a complaint, then you'll be arrested.
Then do it. Whatever happens, happens. But I'll kill him. Tell him. I'll kill him. That's why I'm the assassin. Can I go?
Are you going to be cool? Are you?
Yeah, I'm cool as can be. I'm the coolest guy around.
You can't say you're going to kill anyone who offends you.
I'm not killing anybody. I want to kill that guy. I'm not going to kill him. That's how it is.
Okay, well, if you're making those statements, that's what's gonna
This
make you
guy
go to
wants
jail.
to kill him. He's not saying it.
Shortly after the officers released him, he began screaming and acting strangely.
I'm going to go talk to him. Christian, what's with the screaming, man? What's with all the screaming?
Oh, I just like everybody around. You know.
You got to stop the screaming. Again, we had that conversation where you shouldn't be saying things like that, right?
Well, you're here now.
But why are you saying those things?
Because I want everybody dead.
Why?
I'm a killer. I'll kill you. I'll stab you in the chest. Murder you. If you want to, I'll stab you in the chest for yourself.
I'd rather not.
I'm a murderer. I like to stab in the chest. That's why you guys like me. I'll stab you in the chest. I just like to stab you.
Christian, come on down here. Are we gonna be cool?
Yeah.
Can you sit down on the curb? Can we sit down on the curb?
No.
Can you sit down on the curb?
Just make it real.
I am being real with you.
Yeah. I like the song. Are you a cool guy?
I'm a very cool guy.
Yeah.
But can you sit down on the curb for me?
No.
Why
I'm
not?
God. That's what they call me.
That's what they do.
You know what I do to people like that?
What?
I rip their soul out and kill them.
Thank you,
And I
Christian.
murder them. That's my job. My job is to rip the shivers out
Go sit
and
over there.
chill. I promise you.
What do you promise me?
Don't let me sit.
Why?
Because I'll kill you that way.
Oh, you're gonna kill me if you sit down.
Yeah, I promise you. Can I talk to that guy real quick?
No, we're not gonna talk to him.
I just want to stab him.
No.
Just real, just
Christian?
in the head.
Go stand over there by the curb.
Due to his threats, the officers decided to handcuff him.
She's fine.
Fuck it.
Stand over there.
No, I'm gonna look
Stand
at
over
that.
there. Stand over there now.
You're not gonna look after her?
Stand over here.
I swear to God, I'll stab you in the chest. I will.
You're about to go in handcuffs in a second.
Alright, send me a handcuff.
Take your out of your pocket.
I got nothing on me. But if this guy's not gonna defend me, I'll kill him anyway. So it's good.
I thought we were good.
I'm good. Are you good?
Not with the comments you're saying.
I'll defend her over anything. I'll kill that. Look at me again.
Stop. All right, that's it.
All right,
We've given you way too many chances. Stop resisting. Okay. What else do you have on you? Are you gonna listen to me? Can you spread your legs? Come on. Thank you.
No,
All right, you didn't
hold
want
on,
to listen.
hold on, hold
No,
on.
we're going.
You're done. You're
No,
going to jail.
Stop.
No,
Stop.
you're not listening. You're going to jail.
Oh, okay.
Okay, and now you're resisting arrest? Come on.
No, stop. Stop. I promise you. Stop.
We've given you way more than enough
Stop.
chances.
Stop.
You're
Take that
literally.
Stop.
Oh my God.
Stop.
Take that.
Stop.
Take that hit.
I promise you. Stop. Look at me. Look at me.
Christian, hop on up.
I'm not.
Hop in. Come on. The sooner you get in, the sooner you get
Are
away.
you serious?
Yeah.
Get up.
No. No, I'm not.
Come on. Stop
That's
resisting.
over.
Christian, get in the car
resisting.
now.
No, I'm not. That's bullshit.
Come on. Get in here.
No, I'm not. I'm
Yes.
not.
Get
Then
in
beat
here.
me down.
Christian.
Beat me down.
Come on. Come on.
I
Take a
promise
seat.
you.
Sit up.
You're gonna resist this.
You're gonna resist?
No, I promise
Stop
you.
Then
resisting.
sit down in the
All
car.
right, fine.
In the car.
No, I'm not.
Get in the car.
I'm not. I'm not. I'm not. I promise you, you're gonna resist
Central
this.
from 301. Can we get
Look
one
at
more
me.
car over here?
Look at me.
We're gonna have one in custody.
Look at me. Look at me.
Come on, Christian. Get in the car.
You know what I'm saying?
Get in the car.
You bitch. I promise you.
Get in the car.
Alright, alright. You know what's gonna happen to you? Do you know what's gonna happen to you?
Stop it. Stop it. Stop it. Stop. Stop.
Resist.
Stop.
That's bullshit. Do you know who I am?
Stop.
Bitch. Do you know who I
Stop.
am? Say it.
You got it?
He's gone.
Get in the car.
I don't
Christian,
care if you
stop.
break my neck. I don't care. You know why? Get in the car. Do you know why? What?
Soon he was transported to jail.
All right, come on.
I am the king. You know that?
All right.
Alright, fine.
Alright, go to that officer over there. You are under
You are under arrest. Also, ag assault on a police officer. Okay, also ag assault on a police officer. And resisting arrest.
Yeah, no.
Take a seat.
You can sit down. You can sit down.
Sit down. Take your sweatshirt off. You have a shirt underneath.
You hurt my hand on that. You know that?
Well, maybe you weren't. You were resisting.
No,
you weren't
I wasn't.
being compliant.
I wasn't, but he up. You up.
Take your shoes off.
Bitch, can you handle that?
No, you do
Christian?
it. Come on.
Can you be respectful?
Bitch, can you handle
Can
that?
you be respectful, please?
Good.
I'll just throw him at her because she's my whore. And
Watch
we
your
all
language.
know it.
Watch
That's
your-
how that guy got.
Watch your language.
Oh my god.
All right, take your sweatshirt off.
He said whore.
Take your sweatshirt off. Well,
And oh
put
my
your
god.
shirt. Put your shirt on. I
This
only
guy's
asked you to take your
thinking
sweatshirt off.
She's a whore.
You laughing at girl.
This is, oh my god. This guy
Can you put your
thinks
shirt on, please?
she's a whore.
Alright.
She's a whore. This guy's thinking she's a
Okay.
whore.
I
Christian,
get
can
it.
you put your shirt on?
No, this is how it works.
Christian,
How's it
can
go?
Christian, can you please put your shirt on?
Get it. Who wants to get
All
mine?
right.
Let's just aim for.
All right. Come on.
Can I fight this person? Say it. Say it.
Can't remember. Take it. Put your shirt on.
Come on. I want to beat this. I'll beat any. No.
Dude, do you want more charges on you? You keep assaulting all of
Yes,
us.
I just want to beat him up. He knows it. He's saying, this guy can't take him. This guy can't take him. This is the guy.
I don't know. I think they could. I don't think it's a good idea.
Say it. Say it.
Take a seat.
He knows.
Put your shirt on,
Put your
please.
shirt on. Take a seat.
Those shorts on underneath this
I
one.
just
Yeah.
want the girl.
Can you
That's
put your-
how
can
she
you put your
gets
shirt
it.
on? Please?
No, I just did.
That's fine. Let him go shirtless for the
No,
in cell 1.
This is how shit gets in. That's why I said, let me beat him up. This couldn't handle it. This couldn't handle it. He said, let him get beat up. This is why I like the guy.
You like me? Most people don't. So I appreciate that.
Stop. I'll
They
throw
don't like
shit
that.
out of your face. I swear to God.
Really?
Stop.
You just said you liked me.
Christian, come on. Let's go lay down.
Alright.
1-1.
This is not even-
Put your socks up here.
He's got
Christian.
pants on and shorts.
You have
He
shorts
keeps
on,
his
right?
pants on.
I'll stab you.
Can you get
Get
your,
the
That's a
Yeah,
priority.
okay.
Get your socks in.
Get out.
can you get your sweatpants?
Get
I
out.
don't know.
Can you get your sweatpants?
Close the door. I swear to God, I'll murder your family. They'll just stop.
Dude.